Welcome to WiserNotify. In this video, we'll cover how to set up goal tracking and use the report to measure the performance all notifications. Here, we'll see how to track how many people visit your thank you page after engaging with notifications. Let's get started. First, click Add to set up a new goal. Add a goal name, like Thank You Page Visits. Then enter an average goal value if you want to track revenue generated by this goal. Next, set the goal completion URL. Use exact URL for a specific page. For example, if your thank you page URL is http://wisernotify.com/thankyou, copy the URL from your browser and paste it here. Or, if you have multiple thank you pages, then you can also choose URL containing a keyword condition and add thank you word to match all thank you pages URLs. So in that case, any visitor visiting thank you word containing URL will be considered as goal achieved. After configuring the goal completion URL, click on Submit to add the goal. Once goal is set up, WiserNotify will automatically track visits to your thank you page from visitors who interact with your notifications. This includes visitors who see the notification or hover over the notification or click on the notification. In the goal report, you'll find key metrics like conversions. This metric shows the total number of visitors who completed the goal by landing on the goal URL, regardless of whether they interacted with WiserNotify notifications. Contribution. This measures the percentage of conversions where visitors interacted with at least one notification before completing the goal. Conversion rate. This is the percentage of visitors who completed the goal directly influenced by notifications, calculated based on notification impressions and goal visits. Goal visits. This shows the number of visitors who reached the goal URL after interacting with notifications. Metrics like impressions, hovers, and clicks count show how many times goal page visitors interacted with all notifications. And that's how you can set up goals and track their performance. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat.